Limfiliba ikamva leSAFA Transnet School of Excellence emva kokurhoxa kukaTransnet. Esi sikolo sasungulwa ngo-1994 ngeenjongo zokudibanisa ibhola ekhatywayo kunye nemfundo kulutsha oluphuma amakhaya angathathi ntweni, kwaye ngoku sifuna abaxhasi abatsha. Umqeqesi oyintloko uMujalifa Mathebula uthi iingxoxo zisaqhubeka njengoko uluntu lwebhola ekhatywayo lulindele iziphumo. UMathebula uqhubeke wathi uxhalabe nangakumbi nanjengoko lingavalwa eli ziko, nto leyo ingathi ichaphazele abo baxhamlayo kulo.
Alikaziwa ikusasa le-School of Excellence nokuyisikole sebhola lezinyawo esesikhiqize abadlali abaningi abahamba phambili eNingizimu Afrika. Lokho kuza-ke ngemuva kokuba abaxhasi baso lesi sikole iTransnet behoxile njengabaxhasi. Manje-ke sekuvuleke ibid yokuba lesi sikole sibe ngaphansi kwesandla esisha. Khona kunjalo-ke umqeqeshi oyinhloko walesikole uMujalifa Mathebula udaluleke ukuba kuzoba kulahlekela okukhulu kwibhola laseNingizimu Afrika uma lesi sikole singavalwa.
If the school closes, I think youth football will still continue. I think if you look at GDL, it has become stronger, has matured. But I think the question is that who will suffer in that mix? And it's kids who can't afford private football education. I mean, if you look right now in GDL, most of the teams are charging players to play football. And the School of Excellence, Sundowns and Chiefs were probably the only teams that were left who were not charging kids to play.
Uphinde wathi abadlali bakudala bakulesi sikole bayazama ukuxhasa kodwa ke noma kunganele.
A lot of the players they are speaking, they are retweeting, you know, but I don't think that action is enough in terms of saving the school in its current form, you know. I mean, some players have come to the school, including Borrelo Buhile, you know, and they've pledged that, you know, they could do something. But of course, you remember, these people have a busy schedule. We might communicate now, and then things happen, and, you know, until they come back, maybe off season. So, but a lot of the players, they are aware of, I mean, some of them, these things happened while they were still students at the school, so they are aware of the challenges.
Manje sekulindeke ukuba kuphele lesi sigaba sokubhida ukuze kwaziwe ukuba lithini ikusasa laso lesi sikole. Kwezemidlalo zeSoweto TV, nginguSifiso Kuhle ngokaMsimango.